Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to disable snooze for a page on Facebook. If you've previously snoozed a page and want to start seeing its posts again, follow these simple instructions. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Under the Preferences section, locate and tap on Content Preferences. Here, you'll find options to customize what appears in your newsfeed. Now, tap on Snooze. This section will display all the people, pages, and groups you've snoozed in the past. To focus specifically on pages, use the Filter option to display only snoozed pages. Once you've identified the page you want to unsnooze, look for the End Snooze button next to its name. Tap on it, and just like that, the snooze will be disabled for that page. You'll now start seeing posts from this page in your newsfeed again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your snoozed pages and stay updated with content that matters to you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience.